In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase Shopify conversions. One of the simplest ways to improve conversions on a Shopify store is to make the site load faster and feel easier to use. When pages are slow, visitors often leave before they even look at your products. A faster store creates a smoother experience, helps customers move through your pages more easily, and can lead to more sales. To get started, go to the Shopify App Store. Once you are there, use the search bar to look for Avada SEO. When the app appears in the results, open it and click Install. This app can help optimize your store by automatically shrinking file sizes, which is useful because large image and file sizes often make pages load more slowly. Reducing that weight can improve performance without requiring you to manually edit every asset yourself. Another benefit here is overall usability. When your store is lighter and more optimized, it tends to feel smoother to navigate. That matters for conversions because customers should be able to move from the home page to product pages and then to checkout without delays or friction. Even small improvements in speed can make a noticeable difference in how long people stay on your site and whether they complete a purchase. After that, take some time to uninstall any unused apps from your Shopify store. This is an important step that many store owners overlook. Apps that you no longer use can still leave behind extra code, and that excess code can significantly slow down page load times. If your store has features installed that are no longer necessary, removing them can help reduce clutter and improve performance. As you go through your installed apps, focus on keeping only the tools that are actively helping your business. A cleaner app setup usually means a faster and more reliable storefront. This also makes it easier for customers to browse your collection pages, open product listings, and interact with your store without frustrating delays. The main goal here is to create a fast, simple shopping experience. Installing Avada SEO to help shrink file sizes and removing unused apps to cut down excess code are both practical ways to improve store speed. And when your Shopify store is faster and easier to navigate, you give visitors a better chance of turning into paying customers. That covers everything you need to know.